Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG on your laptop. Emulators are essential tools that allow you to run mobile applications, like PUBG New State, directly on your personal computer. These programs create a virtual Android environment, bridging the gap between mobile and desktop gaming. Before you begin, ensure your laptop meets the minimum system specifications for your chosen emulator to guarantee a smooth and enjoyable experience. Once you have selected an emulator, the next step is to download and install it on your laptop. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for a successful setup. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, just as you would on a mobile device. This grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily find and install PUBG New State, typically a download of about 1.5 gigabytes. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, optimizing your emulator and game settings is crucial. Within the emulator's settings, dedicate at least 4 CPU cores and 4 gigabytes of RAM for optimal performance. Lowering in-game graphics settings, such as texture quality and shadow detail, can significantly improve your frame rate. Also, enabling virtualization technology in your laptop's BIOS can boost emulator efficiency by up to 20%. Mastering the controls is key to excelling in PUBG New State on your laptop. Emulators allow you to map in-game actions to your keyboard and mouse, offering precise control. Take time to customize these bindings to suit your personal playstyle. Regularly practice in the game's training grounds to refine your aiming and movement skills. A stable internet connection, ideally with a speed of at least 25 megabits per second, will prevent frustrating lag during intense battles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.